Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to your YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about functions of HR. What are the functions of human resource management, or what are the functions of HRM? Human resource management is defined as planning, organizing, directing, controlling of procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and separation of human resource to the end that the individual objectives and organizational objectives and social objectives are achieved. Which means human resource management plays a vital role in planning the resource as per the requirement of the project, organizing and directing the resource in the right way, controlling of procurement, which means human resources are to be controlled in a proper way so that we can get the best output from the resource. Then comes development, compensation, integration. As per the work done by the resource, a respective compensation to be paid to the respective resource. And comes the development and integration. With the development of the company, there will be a development to the resource as well. Then comes maintenance and separation of human resource. Maintenance is nothing but maintaining the resource in a right way, then separation of human resource to the end that the individual objectives, organizational objectives and socialist objectives are achieved. And the separation of human resource should be in a proper way so that we can understand the reason behind why an employee leaves the company. By maintaining all these, we will be able to reach the organizational objectives, socialist objectives and also the individual objectives. Let us understand what are the different functions of human resource management. Functions of human resource management. There are three major functions of human resource management: managerial functions, operative functions and strategic functions or advisory functions. Let us know what are the different types of functions in each functions of human resource management. There are different functions in managerial functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Then comes the operative functions. In operating functions, we have procurement, development, compensation, relations and retention, maintenance, motivation and then integration. In strategic functions, we have top level management, department level management. So these are the different types of functions in human resource management, and each functions we had different functions in subcategorized. We will be discussing about each function in detail in the upcoming videos. So dear friends, we hereby conclude that we have understood human resource management and what are the functions in human resource management. If you have any queries or questions, please comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out with answering your queries. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.